What's up everyone? Today we are going to be talking about the Gaia Telescope. So if you might not know already, recently the Gaia Telescope got turned off due to it running out of its propellant gas, which it used to position itself in space and make its precise measurements and observations. In light of that, we're going to talk about some of the things that Gaia observed and discovered throughout its lifespan. So to start, Gaia's kind of main purpose in its mission was to map out what our galaxy looked like and how it was structured, as it is super hard to kind of get a view of what our galaxy looks like from outside of it. Gaia was actually able to configure this very nice rendering of what our galaxy looks like from an edge-on perspective. You can see the bulge in the middle of the globular clusters along with the dust in the galaxy. Now, one thing that Gaia observed is that our galaxy is actually a lot more stretched and elongated than previously thought. We used to think that our galaxy was more symmetric and homogeneous throughout, but it is actually more shaped like a rugby ball. Another thing that Gaia observed is that our galaxy has been colliding with the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. Doing so, it has about 3 collisions with our galaxy in the past few billions of years, and each time those collisions happen, strong fluctuations go throughout our galaxy and push stars around and change their positions and whatnot. We think that this contributed to the formation of our solar system. We also have seen that some parts of our Milky Way are older than other parts due to these collisions. Another thing that Gaia was able to do was accurately position and 3D render all the spots of stars, and in doing so located what we call local bubble. So there was this patch in space which is just empty and void of all stars and is only filled with gas. It's dark, has nothing in it. It's kind of shaped like a little peanut. We don't really know how this spot formed. We can only conclude that it was formed due to stars exploding and just pushing everything out away from it. Another thing that Gaia observed is not only the closest but also the second closest black holes to us. The first being about 1,500 light years away and the second being about 3,800 light years away. The interesting thing about these two black holes is that they both don't emit any light whatsoever, which is not seen in any other black holes that we have looked at. Usually they emit light on the X-ray spectrum. Because these don't emit any light, they're super hard to find and very not easy to see, and so we have to find them through gravity, in which we can see everything orbiting and accreting around the black hole, and that's how we find it. We've also noticed that some particles in this black hole don't go past the event horizon and stay in a stable orbit, which is also not seen. And we don't really know why, but we can hope they'll find out. And that is all on the Gaia Telescope.